Top 3 reasons you should be growing winter squash. Tired of battling squash vine borers and watching your summer squash dreams wither? Discover why winter squash is the low-maintenance, high-reward crop your garden needs. New to gardening? Winter squash is your friend. It's more forgiving than summer squash, especially when it comes to those pesky vine borers. Winter squash thrives when planted after the last frost, needing temperatures between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit to germinate. Ensure moist, well-drained soil, and consider using diatomaceous earth or BT to protect against pests. Unlike summer squash, winter squash plants are bushier and need ample space, about 3 to 4 feet in all directions. Harvest when the skin hardens and the color deepens for the best flavor and storage potential. Squash vine borers can devastate a garden, but winter squash is naturally more resistant. This means less stress and more squash for you. While summer squash is a vine borer magnet, winter squash is less appealing to these pests. Plant when temperatures are ideal, 70 to 90 degrees, and consider using aluminum foil to deter egg laying. For extra protection, choose winter squash varieties with high BT content, like butternut squash or cheese pumpkins. Floating row covers can also prevent adult borers from reaching your plants. Imagine fresh, homegrown squash all winter long. Winter squash stores beautifully, providing nutritious and delicious meals when you need them most. Leave your winter squash on the vine until the first frost, then harvest and wash them with a diluted bleach solution. Half cup bleach to 5 cups water. Store in a cool, dark, and dry place. While some varieties like acorn and butternut squash don't last as long, others, especially heirloom varieties, can keep through the winter. Remember to rotate them and check for signs of rot. Beyond the basics, winter squash offers even more advantages for the home gardener. It's a versatile and rewarding crop. Young winter squash can often substitute for summer squash in recipes, simplifying your garden planning. Plus, winter squash flowers and seeds are edible, adding variety to your meals. Winter squash is a great comfort food, perfect for soups, stews, and pies. It's also packed with nutrients, making it a healthy addition to your diet. Growing winter squash means you'll likely have plenty to share. This can benefit your community and spread gardening joy. Extra winter squash makes a thoughtful gift for friends and neighbors, fostering goodwill. You can also donate your surplus to local food banks and kitchens. Don't forget the decorative potential. Winter squash adds a festive touch to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Even livestock can enjoy the bounty of your garden. Let's recap the many compelling reasons to grow winter squash in your garden this year. It's a decision you won't regret. Young winter squash can replace summer squash and even apples in certain recipes. The flowers and seeds are edible, and the squash stores for long periods without special preservation. You can share your harvest with friends, neighbors, and food banks. Use them for decoration, feed them to livestock, or save the seeds to share with other gardeners. Don't wait. Start planning your winter squash garden today and enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious, easy-to-grow, and easy-to-store squash. Take action now. Research different winter squash varieties, plan your garden layout, and order your seeds. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Let's grow together.